Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim. I'm Edith, and I'm going to be super hyper because it's super late. My Sisley, finally, you guys won't be watching this video until Monday or Tuesday sometime probably. It is Sunday today. We're filming back-to-back videos, so if you see us in the same outfits, this is what we wore today for our little Thanksgiving meal we had at our church today. So that was fun. And I'm going to give Kim the card.
And we sing at our church. That's why we try to like dress in certain colors.
This is
and all that
what's
stuff.
come on it, and that's what it says from Sisley with Love. I think something like that. The first
Juried
thing,
in the holidays.
the first thing I'm seeing, let's see. Ooh, please be a perfume. Please be a perfume. Swear to Ryan. I don't know how you say it. Hubert, Isabel de Arno. I don't know how you say the name. I'm probably butchering it.
It says it's equally great on both men or women.
I'd rather be more like female, feminine. But there's a perfume. I wonder if I should smell it and see what it smells like. Like just to...
It says it transports your mind and spirit to the magical palace that inspired its composition, the stunning Alcazar in Seville, Spain.
It's all right. It's all right. Did you smell it? It's kind of like strong, but it's okay. I'm just glad it's a perfume because, you know, I don't get very many of those with Sisley. Sisley, anti-aging concentrate, firming body care. To be honest, with our age approaching 40, we're not quite 40 yet, I've been using things like this more for like my double chin I already have and things like that. I don't use it just for my legs.
This says apply all over and to targeted areas, so she could use it on stomachs, in her arm, in her thigh, décolleté, morning and evening.
It's not going to go far on my legs, I'll tell you
evening.
that. This is the La Nuit at Night, the Supreme Anti-Aging Eye Serum. Ooh, I like eye serums, even though I do have more of these than I do regular other kind of serums and stuff, but I like eye serums. So most of the things they give me I like, and this is the bag that I paid for monthly for a year in advance, which is like 100, I think it was 100 or 112, something like that for the whole entire year, so it breaks down to being very inexpensive per month. But they only have Sisley products, they don't sell any other kind of products, just so you guys know. And then this is the Buff and Wash Facial Gel. I hope I can just use that as like a cleanser, because if it's something else, it's going to go in a giveaway automatically.
It says a unique gel texture cleanses and gently exfoliates with botanical extracts, essential oils, and microparticles. So it might, maybe it's not like a rough one that feels like sand, but just like still. And
then this is the, he was saying Suprema, La Nuit, Le Grand Swan, something, I don't know, Anti-Age at Night, the Supreme Anti-Aging Skincare. It's so tiny. I don't know if you can see any of these. I feel like I have to be right up on the camera.
Says it's the comfort of a cream and the power of a serum.
But that's it for those ones. I should think I got, my 5 products. Again, it's all just their brands. I really do like, they give me a foundation, several samples of foundations, and those seem to go a long way and seem to really creamy and just like easy to wear. So I do like their products a lot. It's just they tend to be on the higher costing side. So quick video for you guys. We are going to do our giveaway video next, which you'll see before this video, if that makes sense. So we're looking forward to doing that one. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up for this one. It's so short as usual, right to the point. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to be part of our future giveaways, which if you want to be part of that future giveaway we're doing like in a moment, which will be like 2 days ago when you see this or whatnot, don't forget to subscribe, okay, to be part of that. And we'll see you in our next videos.
Take care.
Bye.